Somebody has spare time, they have spare time. And there's a dars in the masjid, tawheed. And they say, no, instead of going to the dars in the masjid, I'm going to the gym. Ya akhi, ma laka. Then Al-Bukhari rahimahullah, he mentions. So he said, حدثنا المكي ابن إبراهيم أخبرنا عبد الله بن سعيد وهو ابن أبي هند عن أبيه عن ابن عباس رضي الله عنهما قال قال النبي صلى الله عليه وسلم نعمتان مغبون فيهما كثير من الناس الصحة والفراغ. The Prophet صلى الله عليه وسلم, he said, there are two blessings. There are two blessings that many people lose out on. نعمتان مغبون فيهما كثير من الناس. Many people miss out on them. Many people lose out on these two blessings, health and free time. Health and free time. Ibn Hajar, he quotes Ibn al-Jawzi as saying, he said, قد يكون الإنسان صحيحا ولا يكون متفرغا لشغله بالمعاش. A person may be healthy, but they have no free time because they are busy with their worldly affairs. وقد يكون مستغنيا ولا يكون صحيحا. And a person may be self-sufficient, where they have free time, but they are not healthy. فإذا اجتمع فغلب عليه الكسل عن الطاعة فهو المغبون. If a person has two of these things, these two things, they have spare time, and alhamdulillah they have health, however they are overcome by laziness which hinders them from performing acts of obedience, then surely they are an individual that has lost out. Somebody has spare time, they have spare time, and there's a dars in the masjid, tawheed, and they say, no, instead of going to the dars in the masjid, I'm going to the gym. Ya akhi, ma laka. There's a dars in tawheed, and instead of going to the dars in tawheed, you have spare time, but you prefer the gym over durus in tawheed. And the calamity is greater if it's for the woman, wal-iyadu billah. If she says, there's a gathering in the gym, and I'm going to the gathering in the gym, instead of the dars in tawheed, the tama is akbar. Two blessings that Allah Azza wa Jal blesses us with, that the majority of the people they lose out on, they miss out on: health and free time. Ibn al-Jawzi, he said, so if an individual has free time and health, but is overcome by laziness which hinders them from performing acts of obedience, then surely that individual loses out. وَتَمَامُ ذَلِكِ, he said, to precisely sum this up, أَنَّ الدُّنْيَا مَزْرَعَةُ الْآخِرَةِ. This world is the place to harvest the fruits to be reaped in the hereafter. This dunya, mazra'atul akhirah. This dunya, it is a place to what? To gather as many fruits. Fruits referring to good deeds. This dunya, mazra'atul akhirah. You plant your seeds. Seeds are righteous actions, al-a'mal as-salihah. To reap what? The benefit of them in the akhirah and the hereafter. وَفِيهَا التِّجَارَةَ الَّتِي يَظْهَرُ رِبْحُهَا فِي الْآخِرَةِ. In this world, there is commerce, business, trade. The profit is seen in the akhirah. Now, that is the true profit. Business, there is business. Tijara, the profit, you may not see here, but the profit is in the akhirah. فَمَنِ اسْتَعْمَلَ فَرَاغُ وَصِحَّتُ فِي طَاعَةِ اللَّهِ فَهُوَ الْمَغْبُوطُ. Whoever utilizes their free time and their health to obey Allah, then that person is in an enviable position. He's happy. وَمَنِ اسْتَعْمَلَهَا فِي مَعْصِيَةِ اللَّهِ فَهُوَ الْمَغْبُونُ. And whoever utilizes them to disobey Allah, then surely they have lost out. لأن الفراغ يعقبه الشغل والصحة يعقبها السقم ولو لم يكن. He said, for verily free time is followed by what? By being preoccupied. and busied, and health is followed by sickness. Shaykh ibn Uthaymeen, he said, brothers and sisters, Shaykh al-Allama Muhammad ibn Salih al-Uthaymeen, he said, rahimahullah, he said, Allahu Akbar, commenting upon this hadith, Allah is the greatest. He says, Sadaqa Rasulullah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, the messenger of Allah sallallahu alayhi wa sallam has spoken the truth. Inna hatayn al-ni'matayn la maghbunun fihima kathirun min al-nas. He said, verily many of the people lose out on these two blessings. فَإِنَّ كَثِيرًا مِنَ النَّاسِ قَدْ أَضَاعَهُمَا. Because many of the people, they waste these two blessings. They waste their spare time. They waste their health. They're healthy, alhamdulillah. Allah Azza wa Jalla blessed them with health. But after health, there may come what? Sickness. After health, that person gets old. After health, anything could happen. So when a person is healthy, does he utilize his health? When he has spare time or she has spare time, do they benefit from their spare time? He said, because many of the people, they waste these two things. تَمْضِي عَلَيْهِ الْأَيَّامَ الطَّوِيلَةِ وَهُوَ الصَّحِيحُ الْبَدَنِ فَارِغٌ وَتَضِيعُ عَلَيْهِ وَهَذَا. He said, many days pass them by, and they are healthy and have spare time, yet these things are wasted. These things are wasted. No doubt, this is loss. He said, وَلَا يَعْرِفُ هَذَا. Nobody knows the reality of this loss. Somebody may say, I don't really, ما أشعر يعني بهذا. I don't feel that I'm losing out on anything. The Shaykh, he said, وَلَا يَعْرِفُ هَذَا. Nobody will be aware of this loss إِلَّا إِذَا مَرِضَ فَيَقُولُ. Until he becomes sick. Until a person becomes sick and then they say, كيف لم أفعل كذا في أيام صحتي. How did I not do such and such when I was healthy? When somebody is on the verge of their deathbed, when somebody is getting very close to death, then they start thinking these things. Naam. So Shaykh ibn Uthaymeen rahimahullah ta'ala, he said a person doesn't know and doesn't understand the reality of this loss until he becomes sick or she becomes sick, and then they say, how is it I did not do such and such when I was healthy? During the days when I was healthy, كيف راحت علي هذه الأيام. How did these days just pass me by without me utilizing them and benefiting from them? And this loss becomes apparent to him or her at that particular point in time.